Hello, students. Many people think fractions are difficult, but actually, fractions are very simple if you understand this one idea. One whole equal to one. First, let's understand what is a whole. Imagine you have one roti or one pizza. So, this is a roti. So, if we cut it into two equal parts, okay, similarly, if you cut this roti into four equal parts, so what we have done, we cut the whole into equal parts. So, this portion has two equal parts. This whole has four equal parts. So, what is a fraction? A fraction means a part of a whole. So, this is 1 by 2, and this is 1 by 4. Okay, so in 1 by 2, the top is called a numerator and bottom called denominator. Okay, numerator means it tells how many parts we take, and denominator means it tells total number of parts. So here in this case we are taking one part out of 2, so it becomes 1 by 2. Here we are taking one part out of 4 equal parts. So it becomes 1 by 4. Okay. So similarly 3 by 4. Here 3 parts out of 4. 2 by 5. We can say 2 parts out of 5. So always remember, fraction means a part of a whole. If you understand this concept, all fraction problems will become easy.